This is my awesome Lego Gumball machine. I love it. And it holds 4 rounds. It could hold more. Like, a lot more. But I didn't feel like making it bigger. So, 360 view. And this is where your gumball comes out. That's where you reload it. See, gumball. And that's where you put your coin in. That's where you push it to get it. See, when you push it, nothing. So it takes nickels. Yeah, put it in there. And don't worry about that music in the background if you can hear it. That's on my laptop. So you put another one in. See, look. See? There's the last one. See? 4. See, no more. And to get your money, you can see the yellow outline. Then you just twist that. And there's all 4. 2, 3, and 4. And you put it back in there. And to reload it, take this hatch. So yeah, that's my awesome Lego Gumball machine. So yeah, bye dude.